Hi Suraj.
Hi ma'am, how are you?
I'm good. Thank you for asking. What about you?
I'm great.
Yeah. So basically, where are you from, Suraj?
I'm from Safalgund, Amarkazguri.
Okay, Hyderabad only.
Yes.
Yeah. So what is your highest educational qualification?
My highest education qualification is MBA.
MBA into finance.
Yes.
Which college?
Sai Sudhir PG College, which is situated near ECIL Cross Road.
Okay, good to hear that, Suraj. So how do you know about SPC?
When I searched in Google about top 5 investment banking coaching centers, there I found SPC. I attended demo sessions in all the coaching centers.
Okay.
From there I came to SPC and then I attended the demo sessions, and I feel like the demo sessions are very interactive. So from there I joined this SPC coaching institute.
Thank you so much, Suraj, for sharing the genuine feedback with us. So what have you learned in SPC in your 2 months of course duration?
In 2 months of my coaching duration, I have learned a lot about accounting and investment banking and research program. They mainly focus on financial instruments, financial markets, derivatives, and the live trading. And the other sessions like the HR sessions, Excel classes sessions, and the mock interviews, they gave me a lot of confidence to crack the interviews.
Wow. Apart from this, have you participated in JAM and GD?
Yes, I have participated in JAM and GD. It was very interactive sessions, and I developed my communication skills.
Good to hear that, Suraj, that you are really participative in all the activities. And will you share your interview experience with us?
Yeah, my interview was very good. So basically, there were 3 rounds of interview. First one was HR personal interview, and other 2 rounds were technical 1 and technical 2, where they focused on investment banking questions and mutual fund questions like derivatives, investment banking, corporate action, KYC, transfer agency.
So, what is the suggestion you would like to give to the freshers and job seekers?
I suggest especially a great platform to freshers to develop their new skills, and who is joining SPC, it is a very good platform where they can able to interact the new skills and learn lot of accounting and finance knowledge, where they can implement the practical knowledge into real life work. So it will be very useful for them.
Thank you so much for your time and congratulations that you are into MNC. And by the way, what is the package?
It's 3.5.
Wow, so good. Congratulations.